Hey guys, so today we'll be building a boat for treasure! Yeah! So, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You're probably like, who are you? Well, guess what? If you look up here, it says Maddie Plays _ 12345. I'm not exactly Sophie. She's my friend. It may or may not be Haxing. What? Haxing? Yeah. I don't have a channel, but I have been in a video in a different channel called Lily Nutson. Go ahead and check her out, subscribe, like. She's my best friend. And so today we'll be playing blah blah blah. Build a boat for treasure. They're probably wondering, where is Sophie? Well, no need to fear anymore. She's right here. Hello.
Hi.
Yes, and something freaky with twins. And we have the same username, except mine's Maddie and hers is Sophie. Okay, wait, why should we build a boat? Can't we just walk on the water like nubs? Can we just like walk on the water? Like, does it hurt? I want to see if it hurts.
Hours later.
This is actually taking a while to get there. God. Okay, we're nearly there. And does it hurt? Oh, it does! No. Oh, I don't need help. It does hurt. Okay, Sophie, let's start building. Hey, do you guys see this? I'm like literally in the ground, in the grass. I'm like, is this a glitch? Or is this how it's meant to be? You're not like that. Why am I in the ground? Okay, let's start building. So I only have 6. Let's just start off with a basic little raft. I only have 2 left. Can we buy more? Oh, I stopped that. What am I doing? Oops.
Delete it.
Okay, I'm gonna delete this. How do I delete this? How do you? Oh, right here. Okay, can you delete that? Okay. What if we just launch it like this? What will happen? I want to see what happens. Oh no!
You have to get unseen.
Oh, we're so no! I'm so stupid. Do I have a small map? Okay, now we're actually gonna build a goodbye flowers, goodbye tree. We're leaving you. Wait.
She doesn't see it.
How are you still alive? Well, I'm gonna stop building. I have 6. I'm gonna build a simple raft and see what happens. We're gonna die. I don't know what the stages are. Apparently there's stages or something. Yeah, Lily's in the background.
I'm right here. Lily does my YouTube channel.
Yeah, here comes this guy. Get out. We actually just posted a video today. We were playing Disaster Simulator, was it?
Yes.
Okay. Now shop. Need to get a lot more. Okay, how do I what's that for? How do I get more blocks?
You have to go
Chest?
through. Yeah.
I never played this game before, so guys. Oh, I got a chair. Are you kidding me? This sucks. And I'm gonna buy.
What a chair.
I already had a chair though.
Oh.
So that's why it sucks.
Something.
Oh, no, you have to pay $4 for that. I don't have Robux. What the hell is that?
Copyright.
No, copyright. Oh, I got no more money, guys.
I think I could put it around.
I can't get. How do you get money? How?
You have to
When
go
you
down.
down.
You have to go through the back. Wow.
Okay, I don't know what this is.
In Resurrection.
Beep. Don't know what that is, but you know, it's going down. Hello. Hello, member. XX digit X, no, X. Okay, I can't say it.
XX digit tame. XX digit aimer tay. XX.
Ah, I can read. Oh, should I let him join, guys?
No, probably
Soz
So right.
got to
This one.
things. That's my chair. Get off my chair. Oh, okay. I've got an extra chair, so give it your block maybe. I'll just put my. Oh, what? It's upside down. What? Get off my chair. No, go away, please. I just want to watch my boat. Nope, I hate you too. Why is she dying? What? Is this a glitch? Oh, now I am. He stole my chair. No. So guys, we are officially 6 minutes and 30 seconds in, and this guy keeps on his answer. Should we just let him in? No. Guys, it looks like I'm staying on land.
He went with her.
Yeah, he stole my
So
seat.
he's
It's
just
so
so
ugly.
empty
I hope
and
he
I'm
dies.
still going.
Why does it say
Hi, Mewtwo. I'm Mewtwo.
I'm
He's recording video as well.
wait, I want to actually ask that.
Well, that's up to
You?
he got rejected on the video.
This is so sad. Are you recording on YouTube, vid? Oh, this is so sad, yes. Look it off. Is that being yes? Sorry.
What? Get off my YouTube channel. Get off? Why?
What? Get off our YouTube channel? I just said that. Was I? Should I let him?
This is basically Madison's.
Should I let him?
No,
Should I let him?
I don't think you should.
You know what? Yeah.
So now we're
You know what I'm
gonna go
gonna
the
say?
boat again, and I'm spending on gold, so I'm gonna buy a chest. So you can
Yeah. YouTube stays together.
Oh wow. I'm
We're family now.
So wait, look, listen, go in here. He made this for us.
Oh, that is so cute. Family. Cake.
Oh, this is cool.
The balloons.
Come over. And then we can launch this boat. We'll launch the boat now.
Wait, he was recording.
He put yes.
Oh, that's
We
interesting.
can launch the boat.
Okay, yeah. Launch it.
Okay, fine.
Oh, yeah, I don't have one.
It's
Launch.
kill.
Launch.
Kill.
How do I kill them?
Matthew, you have to launch as well.
Oh, I can run.
Yeah.
I thought it was this way.
You need two.
Oh, this is
Oh, the
sick. Bro.
You're gonna die because of the range. He'll probably die because it's me. No, I know.
I wonder.
I like this boat. This is cool. It's not gonna survive long.
But it's so
I
cool.
wanna know the code for cake.
Cake.
Then say
Mm.
yeah.
Yes, I'm saying. Yeah. Cake.
Say yes, I would like.
Oh, he's protecting us.
Yeah.
The
So
present.
our boat is the top. It's tasty treasure. Tasty treasure. What is this? Yeah, wait, what?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to look at the code thing.
Yeah, sorry.
I don't know.
Okay, I don't
Give up.
Yeah, okay, let's get out of this.
Go to settings. This is settings.
Okay, maybe that's something.
Yeah, I thought so. You?
Yeah.
Go down and see codes. Okay.
I don't have it. We are 10 minutes in.
Delete.
So guys, I'm trying to figure out this cake code because I love cake. For those who don't know, because you don't know.
They would never know.
Yes, I love cake, and I love eating cake, and I love seeing cake.
You're still surviving.
Oh, I'm bored! Get out!
This is settings.
Oh, I'm dead.
I died. Like, come on.
I died as I was bored. That's sad.
Wait, you got some cancer. So I'm still surviving.
Cool. Yes, we're gonna have to end it soon, guys. Okay, I want to build one more. Just one more.
Oh my god, this is the stage. And I died. Oh,
Okay, that's all I
and
can
I
do.
got 44 gold. So
Okay, I'm gonna buy a chest as well. I only have 50. I'm not gonna do that. Oh, no idea what that is, but yeah, no, it's cool. It's cool. Yeah, it's cool. And waste all my money. Yeah. Okay. Let's use all of these. Will I get them again? No, like. Yeah, you can buy one. Marble. That's so nice of you.
So, yeah, we're just buying the chest and we're going to build one more boat until we end this video.
You have about 3 more minutes or 2.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna do this around my.
This is like our old slime.
Okay, and I'm gonna put my seat down.
Yeah, I still need blocks.
Okay, I'll put my seat down first because I've got 2. Do you have any?
Yeah, she should. I think he's really good.
Put mine right there. We're still gonna die this. Hey, you have your. You know? Okay, put your chair on somewhere. Like, oh, what about on top of here? That'd be a good place to have a seat.
And I have more blocks now, so.
Oh yeah, can you like, yeah, put all the blocks around.
This is really nice. Wait, maybe you should
What are you doing? You wanna launch it now for your chair on something?
Yeah, I don't have a chair.
Oh, I'll get a chair for you if you don't have one. Yeah. Okay, where do you want your chair? Right next to me?
Yeah, we're gonna launch this boat.
Okay, I'll put your chair there. Okay, ready? I'm gonna launch it for the last minute. Let's go! I'm gonna die. Yeah. Okay, how far will we go? I'm gonna play this game before, so I'm excited. I think we're gonna die.
I guess so.
Okay, guys, we have a minute left because
Yeah,
we have a quarter. It's got time to do a quarter.
Yeah.
But I've had a lot of fun. Protect us! Ooh, at least they're taking the damage on us. There's little box in there. But here, we're going through the first stage. Very soon. Wait, this is the first stage. Oh no, Sophie, not in a good position right now, so. Oh no.
What?
Okay. Here. Oh. Okay.
Okay, so.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
So like and subscribe.
Like and
comment
subscribe.
down below how you.
We'll see you guys
Yeah,
in the
we'll see
next
you.
one.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.